Let us come to the point. We were discussing about Qadi Fadil. Okay, Al Qadi Fadil, and now we are going to read his letter that he has written about written to his brother Abdul Karim in response to what he has showed his behavior to the chief Alamuddin bin Nuhas. Okay, so let us come to the point. Okay, اتصل بالقاضي الفاضل أن أخاه عبد الكريم نال الأمير علم الدين ابن النحاس بأذى وجفاء فكتب إليه يؤنبه. Okay, Qadil Fadil got information that his brother Abdul Karim has met the chief Alamuddin bin Nuhas with difficulties. Means he meet with bad. He means his brother Abdul Karim meet with Alamuddin the chief with bad behavior, misbehavior. Okay, that time Qadil Fadil wrote a letter to his brother Alamuddin to threatening him. Okay, سبب إصدار هذه المكاتبة إلى الأخ أصلح الله إعلامه ما صح عندي من الأحوال التي أخفاها والله مبديها في حق الأمير علم الدين وبالله أقسم لئن لم تداوي ما جرحت وتستدرك ما فعلت وتمحو ما أثبتت وتستأنف ضد القبيح الذي كتبت به وشافحت وتعتذر بالجميل فيما قاطعت الله به وبارزت ليكونن الحديث مني بغير الكتاب ولأزيلن السبب الذي قدرت به على مضرة الأصحاب. Okay, so in this paragraph, writer says the reason because of which this letter is written that I have known that which type of behavior you have showed to Chief Alamuddin. Okay, so I am Allah Ta'ala has revealed the matter to me, and I say by God, if you will not rectify the matter, if you will not rectify the matter, and if you will not erase whatever you had done, and if you will not do good against what you have done bad, that time I will talk to you face to face. I will not write letter to you. Okay, so and you have to ask excuse because of which you have and you have to ask excuse because of which you became ready to fight with Allah and with that chief. Then if you will not do this, that time I will not write to you, but I will talk to you face to face, and I will finish that reason because of because of which you could able to create problem for the companions. وما أشد معرفتي بأن الطباع لا تتغير, and how strong my knowledge that nature of a person does not change. وبأنك ستحوجني بعد هذا الكتاب إلى ما لا يتأخر, and after getting this letter you must be needy to me. Okay, you must be mine needy. وبالجملة فاستدرك بفعلك لا بإيمانك أي بإيمانك لي. Okay, that totally whatever I want to say, you should rectify it with your deed, not with your promises. Okay, وتنسلك إلي, otherwise, and I will fetch you bring to this matter. فالدم في النسل شاهد عجب. Okay, فالدم في النسل, the blood on the sharpness of sword is a strange witness. It means I will kill you. Okay, I will cut your neck. I will cut off your neck. وويل لمن كانت غنيمته من الأيام. وويل لمن كانت غنيمته من الأيام أقد القلوب على البغضاء وإطلاق الألسنة بالمذام. Okay, the person will go, a person should go into whale who has some days in his life. Then that time means in some days of life he uh, he excite his heart to be enemy of others, and uh, he released his tongue for bad words. Okay, means he started speaking lie, and he starting scolding everybody. Okay, he does not control his tongue and he does not control his mind, but he started making everybody enemy and scolding everybody. So such person should go into while. ولولا أنني شريكك في كل ما تستوجبه من الناس لألقيت حبلك على غاربك وتركتك وما اخترت لنفسك ولكن كيف بمن يرمى وليس برامين. In this line, the writer says, whatever you are gaining from people is because of me, means I am partner in those things. Okay, whatever you are gaining from people is because of me, that I was your partner in that deeds. Otherwise, if I was not your partner, then I have to make you free, and I will put your then I have to make you free, and I will I will leave you, and I will not give you chance. Okay, I will not give you chance. Sorry, choice means I will make free, and you have not choice. Okay, it means you will be beaten and you could not beat. You could not fight. Other public will fight you and you could not fight. Okay, then I will make you in public. You will be released in public, and a public will kill you, will punish you, will beat you. Okay, lakin